In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on OneDrive. Whether you're looking to free up some space or just tidy up your files, this guide will help you get it done efficiently. Let's start with the basics of logging into your Microsoft account. Now, if you're already signed in, that's great. If not, make sure you are using your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, then hit sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see what's known as the app launcher. This is the collection of little squares or tiles, usually located at the top left part of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with various Microsoft services. From this menu, find the OneDrive icon and click on it. Now you've entered the main screen of your OneDrive. Here you'll see My Files prominently listed as one of the menu options on the left-hand side. Clicking My Files will display all the files and folders currently stored in your OneDrive. The interface is pretty straightforward, aimed at giving you a clear view of all your documents. If you're deleting a single file, scroll through your list and locate the file you wish to remove. Beside each file name is a convenient checkbox. Click on it. Once the checkbox is ticked, look for the three dots or the ellipsis. This icon represents more options and can usually be found either above or next to your selected file. Give it a click and amongst the options that appear you will find Delete. Click on Delete and confirm your choice when prompted. Your file will be moved to the recycle bin where it can be permanently removed at a later stage. Now what if you have multiple files to delete? That's no problem either. Start by selecting the checkboxes next to each file you want gone. Ensure that the selection toolbar which appears at the top of the page is displaying the number of files you've selected. From here you'll see the option to delete right above your list of files. Click it and as always confirm your choice. Remember, just in case you delete something by mistake, OneDrive does have a recycle bin feature. Files aren't immediately wiped, they're stored temporarily until you make a final decision. This gives you the chance to restore any file you've accidentally removed. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to delete both single and multiple files from your OneDrive. Keeping your digital workspace